I used to think jacuzzi was just a fancy word for a hot tub. Turns out, it's not. Jacuzzi is actually a brand name, like Kleenex is to tissues or Coke is to cola. So when someone says they have a jacuzzi, they might actually have a master spa, a hot spring, or a Sundance. Hot tub is the umbrella term. Jacuzzi is just one company making them. And here's why this distinction actually matters. If you're shopping for a jacuzzi, you're limiting yourself to one dealership. But if you're shopping for a hot tub, you'll have more options to compare. Honestly, the brand name is the least of your worries. The real question is whether a hot tub is actually worth it, and that depends entirely on what you're trying to get out of it. For some people, it's about managing pain. One user with arthritis and fibromyalgia reported that the hot tub does more for their pain than a heated massage chair. Something worth mentioning is that if hydrotherapy is your goal, don't get misled by a high jet count. That's mainly marketing. You want a tub with strategically placed jets that actually hit your back and your shoulders. But come on, let's be real. Most of us aren't buying a hot tub for medical reasons. We're buying them purely for relaxation. And some people use theirs religiously. Sitting in hot water on a cold winter night with snow falling all around you is genuinely one of those experiences that's hard to replicate. Others buy one thinking they'll use it constantly, and it sits covered for 5 years, becoming an expensive outdoor table. One hot tub removal guy said that was the story almost every time he picked one up. Now, here's what the salesperson won't tell you. Most manufacturers advertise low monthly operating costs, but that's usually not accurate. Depending on where you live, you could be paying significantly more than advertised just to keep the water hot. And if you live somewhere cold, that bill is even higher. And this is also where cheap hot tubs get expensive. A well-insulated tub with full foam insulation can cut energy usage by 30 to 50% compared to a cheaper model. So you're actually better off paying more up front, or you'll just end up spending more on your electric bill every month.